My friend Amy invited me to dinner and made her family's deviled crab recipe. I just could not get enough. I went back for second and third helpings. It is made with a generous amount of sweet lump crab meat that is mixed in a tangy, buttery bread filling. This casserole is moist and tasty, highlighting the flavors of crab meat in every bite. She kindly shared the recipe with me, and now I'm going to share it with you. Let's make it. Dice bread into small crouton-sized pieces, then place the bread on a baking sheet and bake 10 to 15 minutes until the toast cubes are crunchy and a light golden brown. Mix milk and Tabasco sauce with melted butter and pour milk mixture over the bread. Give it a mix. Add finely diced bell pepper, celery, sweet pickles, and onion. Mix it in. In a small mixing bowl, mix mayonnaise, mustard, white wine, and Old Bay seasoning. Pour into the bread mixture and gently mix. Pick through your crab meat and remove any shell pieces, then add the crab meat to your bread mixture. Gently mix. Add to a greased 9x13-inch casserole dish and then bake at 325 degrees for 30 minutes. Give it a stir and then return it to the oven for an additional 15 minutes. Remove from the oven and top with Worcestershire sauce. Don't make fun of me of how I pronounce that because who can say it correctly anyways? Give it a good stir and return it to the oven for the last 15 minutes. And there you go, the best deviled crab recipe ever. Serve as an appetizer or an entree. For the full recipe and additional cooking tips, please visit aforkstale.com.